Greetings from Lidingö and a beautiful sandy beach close to Ellery Beach Club that is famous for being a spa hotel here on this island in Stockholm, Sweden. And my Scott got me here, and I have been cycling from my home around 16 kilometers to get to this fascinating spot. And it's such a beautiful sunny day with temperatures up to 26 degrees Celsius here in Stockholm, and it's gonna be perfect day for the sea. So let's then look around and check the temperature of the water here, how warm it is, because it looks so inviting and stunning, as you can see. So this is in Elfvik in Lidingö, and it's the Baltic Sea, obviously, and there are so many boats that are passing by here, and we can see Nacka on the other side that I have been many times before. And it's time for yet another beach adventure with Kris. As you can see here, the bottom has also sand, which is amazing. So it's going to be a perfect beach adventure today. So I'm going to be chilling here on the beach. There is even a jetty over there, but there are a lot more people than here on the sandy beach, and it is 21 degrees Celsius in the water. So that's a lot warmer than I thought that it would be, which will make it a perfect swim and beach adventure. So if you want to hop from here, you need to go to the jetty of the Ellery Beach Club that's over there. That's basically open for anyone. There is no sign that says that you need to sleep at the beach club. That's not so far away from here. So Lidingö once again on this let's see, 14th of August, and beach day number 90 on my Sweden beach adventures. So perfect spot out on the Baltic Sea at the very end of Lidingö. So Lidingö is quite a big island, and I haven't been visiting it in the past years, but this year I'm going to be here a lot, as it's I have few friends here in this island, and I'm gonna be showing you around the beaches here at Lidingö. So 21 degrees, quite nice indeed, and perfect for a beach adventure with Kris. So ready, set, and go! Whew. It's amazing indeed, beautiful. Beautiful nature all around, and this is just 8 kilometers away from Lidingö Centrum, and maybe around 10 kilometers from Ropsten, where you can come with the metro, the red line, and then from there you can take the bus 204, I think it is, that goes to Elfvik. And yeah, the school has started, so there are not so many people on the beach actually, and it's going to be a nice day to enjoy the beauty here on the beach in Elfvik, close to Ellery Beach Club. So let's dive in once again, because it's summer and beach day number 90 to celebrate. It's perfect day out. So greetings from Elfvik in Lidingö, and make sure to tune in for more amazing beach adventures on my channel. Beach adventures with Kris.